Welcome to part 2 of the QuickBuildWP Theming Guide. In this video, you'll learn how to take your theming skills to the next level. Step 1. Accessing the template. Start by logging into the admin panel. Navigate to Templates, Save Templates, and select the template you wish to modify. For this demonstration, we'll be editing the home page of the Oceanus theme. Click on the Edit with Elementor link to open the homepage template in Elementor. Step 2. Adding the Layout Toolkit. To begin, add a container to the page by dragging it into place. Next, search for the Layout Toolkit widget in the Elementor panel and add it to the container. In the widget settings, set the field group to block. Choose Block Card Overlay as the template. Step 3. Using the Repeater section. The Repeater section is the backbone of the Layout Toolkit, where most of the widget's features are configured. Select the first field item. If the field name and section appear empty, reselect the parent container. Then go back to the Repeater section of the Layout Toolkit. If you encounter any issues with the controls, select a different widget or container, then return to the Layout Toolkit. QuickBuildWP utilizes the free version of Elementor, which may introduce certain limitations. Upon reselecting the Repeater section, the field name and section should now display correctly. Step 4. Configuring the Block Card Overlay widget. The Block Card Overlay widget is divided into predefined sections, which are hard-coded into the widget. To configure the fields, set the field name to text block. Use the heading input field to enter your heading. Add a description in the HTML text area. Assign a background image using the image field. Use the link URL field to set a redirection link for the block. To display a link button, go to the Settings option for the link URL. Set custom attributes. This will display the text "Explore More" as the clickable link. Repeat this process to add similar items. Once completed, click Publish to save your changes. The same widget, Block Card Overlay, can also be used with custom posts. Let's dive into how to showcase the custom post type using the Block Card Overlay format. Add a new container to the page and place another Layout Toolkit widget inside it. Set the field group to Listing. Set the template to Block Card Overlay. The Block Card Overlay format allows you to display any field group in a visually appealing card style. In the Repeater section, map the fields of the listing group to the appropriate sections in the Block Card Overlay. Map the listing title to the title section. Add a new item. Assign the listing description to the description section. Add one more item for cover image. Set the listing thumbnail or cover to the cover section. Now, let's move on to configuring the query parameters. To control the display, enable the Query Parameters section. Set the limit for the number of listings to be displayed in the card overlay format. Once everything is set, click the Publish button to view the results. Reload the home page to view the changes. How to save widget settings. Let's start by learning how to save your settings. You can easily save your configured repeater settings by specifying a name and clicking the Save Settings button. This allows you to reload the same settings anytime you need them, making your workflow more efficient. Restoring your widget settings. Now, let's see how to restore previously saved settings. Simply drag the Layout Toolkit onto your page, select the desired field group and template, and configure the query parameters. Then, enter the name of the saved setting in the Restore field and click the Restore button. That's it. Your settings are instantly applied. Outer block configuration. The outer block section offers additional styling options for your widget. Here's how to use it. Enable the outer block option. Use the heading and subheading blocks to specify a heading and subheading for your widget. To set a background image exclusively for the widget, use the Content Background Image option. Once configured, click the Publish button and reload the homepage to see the changes in action. Making a widget full width. Do you want your widget to span the full width of the page? Here's how. Select the container, not the widget. Navigate to the Advanced tab, locate the CSS Classes input field, and enter Cube Full Width Widget. Go to the Layout tab and set the content width to full width. Click the Publish button and refresh the homepage to ensure the changes are visible. If you'd like to apply a background image to the entire section, including the heading and subheading, clear the content background and use the Section Background option instead. To change the color of your heading and subheading, Utilize the heading and subheading classes input field. Styling with Bootstrap v5. QuickBuildWP uses Bootstrap v5 for front-end theming. Leverage the built-in Bootstrap 5 classes to style your content effortlessly. There's no need to write custom CSS. Click the Publish button and refresh the home page. These steps will help you make the most of QuickBuildWP widgets. Thank you for watching. In our next video, we'll explore how to use ChatGPT to design custom widgets and seamlessly integrate them into QuickBuildWP. Stay tuned.